My name is Peter Reynolds. I'm an analyst here with ARC. It's a pleasure to meet you all and welcome to the 19th Annual ARC Forum. This is Industry and Transition, the Information-Driven Enterprise for a Connected World. So we're excited to have you here. This is our 19th year. We couldn't continue to do this without your support. So if I could get your attention for about 5 minutes, I want to go over to some logistics for the session. So first of all, in the unlikely event that there's going to be a fire or an emergency in this building, I want to point out the fire exits. There's exits through the back. The main exit through these doors at the side will take you outside. The muster area will be outside in the parking lot. Only leave if there's a fire alarm. So I just want to tell you a little bit about our session. So we're very happy. We've got excellent attendance this year. We've got over 700 attendees. We've got people that are visiting us from over 25 countries. 75 corporate and media sponsors are at this event. 60 press members representing 300 companies. We've got some fantastic programs that we've put together that we think you're going to find very interesting. New technologies around analytics to help your businesses improve and be more productive. Analytics, asset performance management strategies, and how to get more production and uptime from your assets. Cloud computing for industry. Who would have thought we'd put information in the cloud? So we're going to talk about that, and we've got some great sessions. Cybersecurity, and if you are going to put information in the cloud, you're going to want to make sure that the information is secure. Energy management, when you develop solutions for manufacturing or whatever your industry might be, you want to make sure that you're putting down technologies that can help you get the most in terms of energy management. The industrial Internet of Things. Many of you may have heard about industrial IoT and IoT, and there's lots of things happened around the connected enterprises. So we have sessions to talk about that. And the latest innovations in automation systems. We've made a lot of progress in several decades with commercial off-the-shelf technology and new things to help you be more productive with automation. And of course, with all these technologies and solutions to help your business be more productive, we need to focus on the people that are going to operate and maintain and your business customers that will use this technology. So we have 40 sessions over 4 days. They'll be action-packed, 150 speakers and panelists. We have a mobile app that's been put together to help you keep track of your sessions and speakers and what's important for you to see. So all of these bios and speakers are available on the mobile app. So when we have these sessions, we'll be introducing the speakers by name and title and company. So if you like any of the sessions and you know other folks that are interested in presenting next year, please see somebody from ARC and nominate them for next year, because we'd like to actually hear from them at our forum next year. If you need to have connectivity to your office email and your systems back home, we've provided a wireless network for you. It's not very secure because it doesn't need to be. The network name is ARCForum and the password is ARCForum, all lowercase, so feel free to connect to that service. So if you haven't downloaded the app on your smart device, we'd like to invite you to do that because there's actually a lot of information there. So if you go to the Android Play Store or the Apple site, you can download or search for something called ARC 2015 and download the app because the full agenda is there and you won't have to carry around all of this paper. So in terms of sessions, we've divided into 5 tracks. Tracks 1 through 4 will be video recorded, and we will put these sessions on YouTube with your permission. So we don't post anything on YouTube. What I will say about YouTube is there many of the customer presentations that have been available for several years. We have over 120,000 views. So if you want to become famous with your presentation, please allow us to post this on YouTube. We'd also like you to provide feedback and let us know what you think of the sessions. So we have a survey that's associated with the app, so please help us improve the conference year over year and provide that feedback. As far as the Q&A sessions, so typically the way that our sessions run is we have a couple of speakers to make presentations, and then we'll have interactive panel sessions. So we really expect participation from the audience. So raise your hand is typically the way we do it. We're very informal. You can raise your hand, ask any question. There's no questions that are off limits. So we expect a very interactive panel session. If you don't feel comfortable raising your hand and asking the question when in a particular session, we will also provide notepads and paper so you can write it down and submit it to somebody that's walking around in a particular session. If you have any questions whatsoever, please see somebody like me, somebody that worked for ARC, or visit the information desk out in the main foyer. We also ask that in respect for our good speakers, please silence your cell phones. Don't turn them off because we expect that people will use them during the sessions. And I just want to say a little bit about our sponsors. And, one thing I forgot to mention, one of the main reasons why we want you to use your cell phone is we want you to tweet. If you're not tweeting right now, there's actually something, sorry, these slides are advancing. There's actually something that's very important, and that's called the back channel, where lots of people are actually tweeting what they think about the sessions and the logistics. So please sign into your Twitter account, use your mobile account, and actually tweet what you think about the particular sessions. That's called the back channel. I'd like to thank our global sponsor, which is Siemens. And I'll say one thing about Siemens. Please attend the dinner and reception at Disney's Epcot Center. This is Wednesday, 7 to 9:30, and it's open to all attendees and your guests. So this is a reception at the American Adventure Pavilion in Epcot. So there's dinner, entertainment, and networking. So please come to that. A little bit about AT&T. AT&T is also a platinum sponsor. Sorry, these things are advancing. The AT&T has got a special innovation showcase, so please see what they're doing around the industrial Internet of Things and using fancy cellular technologies to connect to assets. They'd be very happy to talk to you. YOKOGAWA, and also a platinum sponsor who's celebrating a very special 100th anniversary. Please stop by and talk to YOKOGAWA in our showcase. ABB, also a gold sponsor. ABB is hosting a workshop Tuesday at 1 p.m. And it's around, we ask managers what keeps them up at night. And so please attend this session, and you can be entered for a draw for a free iPad. And also Bentley as a gold sponsor, General Electric, Honeywell, IFS, Mentor Graphics, and as well Silver sponsors. So these companies are all available for you to speak to in the pavilion. Industry associations are very important to ARC, and as well as the media sponsors. So with that, what I'd like to do is please join me in a round of applause. I'd like to invite Andy Chatta, president of ARC, to join the stage. Andy.